What is up? This is Cool Dude back with you with another DIY fidget toy. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a rolly fidget. It's like a rolly ball fidget. Sorry, my phone camera is not in the right place right now. Okay. All you're going to need is a binder clip. Give me a second here. All you're going to need is a binder clip, a marble, choose this marble because I like it, and a rubber band. Any kind of rubber band will work. You're going to take your binder clip, you want to have it in this position. You're going to take it and you're going to open it just a little bit, like that. You can put your marble inside. Now this one's called the rolly fidget. And you're going to take your rubber band, you're going to hold this like this, you're going to take your rubber band, put it around it, and you're just going to wrap it multiple times, making sure that it is tight. I have to wrap this a few times to make sure it's tight because you do not want your marble to fall off. And then once you got that nice and tight on there, it should look like this. And there's your fidget. You just roll the marble around. If you need to, you have to move your rubber bands down a little bit. Just remove the binder clip. Like that. And there you go. It's your little rolly fidget. I'm not really exactly sure if this is legible. We're going to test something out today real quick. If you can do that. But you can take this piece off. You can take the binder clip off. And put your marble fell out. Put your marble back in there. And that doesn't legibly work. So put that back in there. Anyway, you get the picture, and then you can just roll it around and have fun with it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, smash that like button, and see you in the next video.